Very good morning, students. Yes, how are you, students? I hope all are good. Very good. So today we are going to start new chapter, chapter number 9. The chapter name is fractions. So, what is the meaning of fraction? Fraction means a part or a fragment. Okay, yes. So, simple fraction as part of a whole. Fraction as a part of a whole. Suppose this is a circle and divided into two equal parts, half. Okay, yes. If shade part 1, so the shaded part is 1/2 of the whole. Whole part is 2 and one part is shaded, right? So 1/2, right? The shaded part is 1/2 of the circle and the unshaded part is also 1/2 of the whole. Thus, in 1/2, one part out of two equal part is taken. Okay, as it is, this is a circle, right? And this is divided into three equal parts. So, shaded one part, the shaded part is 1/3 of the whole, right? Yes. So, each of the two unshaded part is also 1/3 of the whole. So, this is 1/3. And now, next example. So, divided into three equal parts and let us shade two parts, suppose. So, the shaded part is 2/3 of the circle. Total part is 3 and how many part is shaded? 2. So, 2/3. Next, suppose one part is shaded. So, total part is 4 and how many part is shaded? 1. So, this is 1/4. Right? Suppose this is circle and divided into 4 parts, 4 equal parts, and 3 parts are shaded. Total parts are 4 and how many parts is shaded? 3. So, this is 3/4. Okay. Now, let's start exercise 29. Shaded with a pencil 1/2 or half of each of the following figure. This figure divided into half. So, this is a circle divided into half means half and 1/2 of each of the following figure. One part is shaded and another part is unshaded. Like this. Total part 2 and how many part is shaded? 1. This is also 2 parts. One part is shaded and second part is unshaded. This is also 1/2 or 1/2. Shaded part, total part is 2 and one part is shaded. So 1/2 or this is also called by or 1/2 or half. This is shaded part. Total parts 2 and one part is shaded, so half. So this is your today's work and tomorrow we will continue. Tomorrow we will continue exercise 29 and your homework is do question number 2nd and 3rd in your copy. Okay. Yes. Question number 2 is shade with a pencil 1/3 or 1/3. Right? So, total part is 3 and only one part is shaded. Okay, like this. And third one is shade with a pencil 3/4 or 3/4 of each of the following figure. Total part is 4 and 3 part शेड होगा आपका. टोटल पार्ट आपका कितना है 4 एंड 3 पार्ट आपका शेड होगा. क्लियर? यस. तो do question number 2nd and 3rd of exercise 29 in your fair copy. Thank you class and have a nice day and do neat and clean work. Okay.